What's up everyone? In this video, I'll tell you how to cancel your Netflix subscription. So to do so, you will have to go to the Netflix website on your computer and log into your account. Then click on your profile picture in the upper right corner of the page. And from there, select account and it will open the account details page. Then you'll find here the option to cancel the membership under the membership and billing option, and that'll open the cancellation confirmation page. And it'll show you the end date of your plan if you decide to cancel. So that means your plan will not be renewed at the end of the billing cycle. Then finally, you can click finish cancellation, and this opens a page where you can choose or type enter the reason why you canceled, and then your account will be canceled.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.